Say it or not, bro.
What is up, guys? Team Movement here, and we're going to be doing round 1 with Machinings versus Chronicle. I won the die roll, so I go first.
What's in the die roll? You're going to team out the bag.
Hey.
Need somebody?
Only honks.
So good.
Alright, yeah, fuck him up. Is game 2?
No, this is game 1.
Oh god.
We had to redo game 1 like
Second oldest. I gotta go do something.
Do you actually have to go do something?
Yeah,
That's...
over there. I gotta go sign him up.
No, you don't!
Yes, I do.
Shit! His name is up there!
What's your name?
I'll take it.
Ooh, friends.
Right,
You already
give me
gave it to
money.
me.
Get into it.
No, just
You're back cameraman? I'm not dealing with that.
just hold it.
No.
Tucker sucks major dick.
Oh, no good. Did you draw?
Nothing. 17 Mega.
17. Take. Power and draw.
No skill. Turn.
Draw the turn. I don't ride. Well, ride. I don't
Hit him in.
stride. I'm gonna be using I'm gonna be using his skill. Turn loss 1. He goes back to his next stride. Nay. Skill. You just go to the bottom, and I go straight into Chrono Disc, but I can't use Chrono Disc skill.
So these three.
And his skill, unit spawn,
Thanks, man. Plus, you got a better film than I had before. That was all they could do.
Throw meteor if they die. That's it. Bro, 26.
You guys should probably get a little stand.
It's not called a stand, bro.
Second check,
A
nothing.
little camera stand.
Third check, nothing.
But you've been told that.
26.
Even if they do that, you call yourself the right.
Rest everything? No.
Yeah.
It worked out.
He's got armor on him. Robot. And that's Mega Man.
25 Vanguard? Put 30 down.
I'm still PG.
Drive. 3. New trigger. I'm at 4. 17. Put power here and you're 4 on mute. And got trigger. Power here. 12. 2 triggers. 27. And 2.
That's your hand?
Oh, good. Strike. Good. 3 and your hand got big. This guy, skill. Spin that. And skill, I'm just going to unflip.
Hell yeah, that's my logo. Nobody didn't know that.
Skill, spin that and call a grade 1.
This is your deck, bro?
No, it's about this. 15 Vanguard. 26.
Chronicle is a quick like your order?
Yep. First check, heal trigger. I do heal. Power to my booster.
Oh yeah.
Second check, nothing. Third check, draw trigger. All effects here. Draw 1. Skill. Counterblast 1. Flip a copy of himself face up.
No.
And I discard 3 cards.
¿Cómo es esto?
I'm discarding.
No. ¿Por qué no veo que no está? ¿Cómo está Matthew, papi?
He saw 1 card. So
Matt
he's
está en la casa?
active.
No, salió.
He's 20. He's 16.
¿Matt está en la casa o
This is
salió?
going to be 26 Vanguard. Only 0.
No crit. It's a no crit.
Okay.
Whatever, I saw it now.
No crit, no crit, no, yeah, no crit.
I'm like, whatever. I already saw it. I don't know why he did that for. I thought he said, I said no crit. What thought I said?
And then he got 2 triggers, so it's going to be 26. And do I want to use skill? I'll use skill. So last these 2, only 0.
Is that Ladybug using a Ladybug as a shield?
Let's see.
It's funny. Why do you use that grade 10 guy? That attack field.
Stun and that and this also. Yeah, stun that too. Why not? Fuck it. He's in trouble. 26, 39. Another. Draw. Quit. Second. No. 21 Vanguard. 16 Vanguard. And I don't stun and stun this. All the back door. This is 10. What's 15 actually? 15. Okay. And 2.
Actually, I don't
Nothing. Ride.
I'm not going to use his skill on stride. Fate Rider. Skill. Put this and then call a grade. I'm using his skill, call a grade 1 higher.
This is higher or lower than that?
No, higher.
If you call it higher, it's
Grade 1 higher than the
Yeah, I'm gonna call
card
it. Yeah.
Is that the restanding guy?
Yeah.
Yo, this phone's overheating fast.
Yeah, it does. Because it's old.
Are you sure, or is this fight just so hot? No, I'm just saying.
Yeah, no soul. Really nice, still 9K.
This is almost as hot as my beats.
I didn't have any more of the Glimmer Breath. I thought I did.
Did you have a penis?
What? No, I said it. This is almost as hot as my
Plus
bars.
5K over here.
How big is he?
When he swings, he's gonna gain 4K when he attacks. If he attacks a Vanguard, and then he gains 5K power. If he hits, I spin a unit.
So, I got the question.
4, or he's 14 plus 4, he's 18.
There you go. You're too right. I'm like, how big is he? If he hits, I'm like, oh, that's that question.
And then this guy, he gains 3K power for every face of card. My G zone, there's 3. There's 3. So, he's 9, so he's 18. First, 26. First set, 4 cards in hand. Power here, right over here. Second set, nothing. Third set, heal trigger, all effects, and I do heal 1.
So do I. Oh no, you do that too.
18? When I'm not going to use his skill, it's going to be, he only got He has a 13. He's 19.
Draw. I drew it. Look at me. I earned that shit.
You earned it, though.
He's only trying to just
I ain't seen it. You earned it, bro.
He went from 5 to 2. I'm like, oh, one of those games, I think.
Hey, this phone burning my hand. What type of compensation do I get for this shit?
Nothing.
Nothing? This is some bullshit. But mama knows that I'm a hard-working man.
17.
Ooh, get that bitch.
I forgot to use skill. But that's
Yeah, hit.
no, I couldn't use skill.
10, 16.
Hung like a fucking horse, stung like a fucking hornet.
I didn't hit any triggers.
Right, that's all. I'm gonna end up using a skill. I'm gonna do that in the meantime. How much soul do I have? I have
It's
enough.
burning my hand. This thing's burning my hand. It's actually really hot.
13
It's overheating
Vanguard.
because of how hot this
What's the
is.
skill?
When he attacks the Vanguard, he gains 4K. He goes to the bottom like a call grade 1.
We'll be there for
26 was a crit.
Wait, did you bring this
The
one?
only thing guard was grade 1 to high.
No, I work on Saturdays too. I close on Saturdays. So I'm working until like
God, no, you have all the twos.
what, for 8 hours?
I was on my
I didn't even know.
So that's game 1, guys. We're
I would
going to be
have
going to game 2.